Audience review and product details. A successful marketing campaign hinges on just how well business owners know their target audience. This includes knowing what trends to look out for, the optimal time to post or tweet, and what compels customers to procure a service or buy a product. Additionally, it is critical to remember that each individual customer is unique and therefore react differently to marketing campaigns, regardless of the type. This is where Audiense comes in. Audiense is an audience intelligence platform which helps business owners get valuable and relevant insights into consumer choices and activities. This is done through influencer identification, data collection, and campaign insights. Audience Insights. Audience's Audience Manager provides their users with every tool imaginable to flesh out every important detail required to run consumer-specific campaigns, which have significantly more success compared to hugely generic campaigns that more often than not leads to the loss of patronage. This includes their interests, relevant people they follow, their spending behaviors, their media consumption, and more. With Audience's Audience Manager, companies can also determine which social media platform is best suited to run campaigns and based on location, followings, and online conversations. Influencer identification. Many companies turn to influencer marketing to help them connect better to their target audience by identifying which individuals are significantly relevant to them. This type of marketing insight allows businesses to create niche-specific campaigns within localized and widespread areas. Audience fully understands how to truly maximize this avenue of marketing and can help run successful niche-driven campaigns. Data collection. Audience recognizes the critical role of data collection when it comes to launching audience-centric marketing campaigns. There is no room for guessing games in marketing. Every move has to be driven by the analysis of extensive data collection to get the best outcomes. Audience utilizes consumer-centric methods that take into consideration behavioral and environmental factors. Consumer segmentation. Many a campaign has fallen flat because they are done without a thought to the importance of consumer segmentation. Audience, however, has a tight grasp on how critical consumer segmentation is when it comes to creating and launching marketing campaigns. Through Audience, companies can work off of persona-specific data to then create tailored strategies to further connect with their target market, and also give companies' marketing teams valuable insights that could identify and open up new markets to reach. Audience Connect. Currently, Twitter is the best social media platform for tracking social behavior, trends, and audience reach. With Audience Connect, marketers can quickly determine how effectively a campaign can be created and run through community analysis and management, advanced monitoring and listening, and also run chatbots to maximize the use of direct messaging conversations. Platforms and pricing. Audience currently offers different pricing options for Audience Insights and Audience Connect, with the capability of customizing your chosen plan with any add-ons you might need. You can visit their site for the plan's price points, sign up for free, or you can even book a call with the Audience team if you need further assistance in determining which plan would work best for you.